Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I'm outside in the back garden, as you can see. All right, let's move my kanga. Yeah, it's amazing. Hopefully you guys like this one. I'm gonna be doing a simple weight loss recipe and detoxing of the body. All right. So first thing what you need to do is get some spinach. All right. I'm using some spinach, and I'm using roughly about 3 handfuls of spinach. Secondly, I have some celery, which I'm going to be using. So I'm gonna simply cut up my celery and put it straight inside of the blender. All right. So that's the celery right here. Nice one. I'm outside in the back garden. I'm making a lovely smoothie drink today. Secondly, I'm going to put some apple cider vinegar, roughly about a tablespoon. Nice one. Thirdly, we're going to put some cinnamon powder. And now I'm going to be getting a lime to put inside of it. Wow, you can smell that beautiful cinnamon which I just put inside of it. It's just amazing. So I'm using 1 lime inside of it, and I'm gonna put some grounded ginger powder. If you got fresh ginger, please use it. All right. Secondly, I'm going to be using some seeds, just a tiny bit of the seeds in it, and I'm going to blend this for roughly about 3 to 4 seconds with a little bit of water. All right, now what we're going to do is blend. That was a very long blending, but it's worth it, guys. All right, look at that. That is fantastic and an amazing. Yeah, you don't need to strain it, you don't need to do nothing with it. All you need to do is drink a big, nice, lovely glass of this smoothie. Let's serve it up. All right, let's put it in our glass, because it's just amazing to know what you can do at home. All right, guys. So yeah, it's beautiful. For yourself, I just finished blending it, and that's it right here. A little bit frothy up, but it's pretty good. Still looking good. You know what I mean? I leave the fiber in it this time. Not every time I have the fiber, but I just decide to share the fiber with you guys. All right, hopefully you like the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. As you can see, it's just a beautiful recipe for the weight loss and also for the detoxing of the body. All right, something very easy and simple. You guys definitely can do this one at home. So if you like the recipe, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, guys, see you next time in the kitchen with a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and please share the video, guys. It's just amazing just to see exactly what you can do in the kitchen with recipes. All right, so why not tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, guys, so basically, as you can see, all the recipe looking so lovely and nice. So I just want you guys to just enjoy it for this beautiful detoxing and cleansing of the body. All right, so yeah, why not? Nice and lovely. So see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.